filthy cager who knows nothing about motorcycles, do you need Papa Yam, motorcycling's greatest brand ambassador, to explain why that guy in a motorcycle is doing a wheelie? Because it's fun, you Philistine! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to come off so strong there. It's just you're doing yourself a disservice by not getting on two wheels, and that makes me sad.
Got it. This should be fun.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing good, officer.
Calm down. And today we have the long-awaited CBR 600 Double R. A lot of you guys have asked me to ride this bike to compare it to my R6, and today I'm gonna oblige. And let's begin. No! No! Stop! Wait! No! Stop! No! Dude, you just did that! You just did that! Oh! Shit! What deal's the deal? Oh, it squeaks. I like that. My dog. We won't get this to my dog later. You like it too?
A little heads up, guys. Don't wear ankle socks when it's cold because, you guessed it, your ankles get cold. We pop out at your party. Y'all want one of these? 6for400.com where it's at, baby. You can drive with a message, ride with a message. Baby, I'm a one-stop shop for everything. Hey, honey, don't pretend you don't see me, girl. Look at that flick of their hair.
I confess no love for Harley corporate. Those Wall Streeters are killing the brand and Jason Momoa's soul. But that's why I buy the motorcycle, not the stock. The reason I buy Harleys, along with 200,000 people a year, is the sound, feel, and style.
Film beautiful ladies like you.
Thank you.
Huh?
Why are you riding with the camera?
So I can film you.
Okay. But I'm just got to make sure I don't hurt myself or get ran over because people do drive crazy here too. But that should have given me like a decent idea of where to go. So there's downtown. That's the direction we're gonna try and make it to. Wish me luck. If a cop finds me or pulls me over, we're just gonna stop, talk to him nicely.
Cody is a 3-time X Games gold medalist and he did one of the craziest base jumps. Check it out.